This is the sound of your hard-earned tax dollars at work. And it's Happy Hill Park getting a major makeover.
The neighborhood is undergoing a series of transformations, but as everything began to evolve around the park, it kind of made everything was brand new except for the park.
The solution? Build a park that the neighborhood can take pride in.
First phase will include a playground, a brand new splash pad with a bathhouse, new pedestrian seating. This is the home of the Happy Hill reunion, and so we wanted to make sure that we had amenities that would fit their needs. So we're building a brand new picnic shelter with additional off-street parking. There will be an 8-lane track that will be installed as part of that, as well as greenway connections. For us to undergo this level or this magnitude of renovation for an entire park is a big deal here. We don't do that very often, but I think we're going to hit the nail on the head. I think we have the right designers, we have the right team to really be able to pull off this difficult design.
And by starting from scratch, the city hopes to bring happiness back into Happy Hill.
And providing these very new, high quality park amenities, I think that the community will embrace that and take very good care of it. It's just one step as part of a larger community-wide effort to make this area of town a much nicer, much safer place for people to live, work, and play. Parks, in a lot of instances, serve as the heartbeats of the neighborhood and other communities. And there was a time many years ago where this park was just that. As the community has changed, we want to kind of bring back that life to the neighborhood. And so we're hopeful that the amenities and new things that we're providing will do just that.
These renovations will invite people from different parts of the community to come out and interact with each other.
I think that's what our ultimate goal is. I think we're going to do a great job at accomplishing that. And then not designing it for 2019 or 2020, but designing it to meet the needs well into 2030.